Natural Raw Essence. Happy Juneteenth. I am coming today to just bring you a quick video on an unboxing. I had featured this in a previous video, and I just wanted to open this to see how this works and how it feels. I hope there's batteries that come with this. Yeah, it has 2 AA batteries. So I'm gonna jump right into this video. There was one other thing that I'm doing for self-care. I feel, you know, we are living in times where it's not only about, you know, we are focused on Black Lives Matter. Self-care matters. Taking care of yourself, physically, mentally, spiritually, having yourself replenished. There is so much pulling at you in this world system, in this world that we're living in, that it's important that we take care of our health, we take care of our minds, we take care of our emotions, we feed our spirits, and we just do everything that is necessary to really keep ourselves in the best care that we can. So, you know, today's Juneteenth. This is a day of freedom. This is a day of liberty. I never heard about Juneteenth until 26 years ago when I watched Jason's Lyric. That is the first time. And fast forward into 2020, we are finally celebrating Juneteenth as a holiday. Like, people are finally recognizing it. The first time I heard about it was Jason's Lyric. I didn't learn about this in history class. And it's just, we also have to just really think, even though this is a national holiday and everybody's celebrating, ask yourself this question: are you free? Are you truly free? Is your mindset free? Are you free to make your own choices in life, your own decisions? Are you free to make change your mindset? Are you truly free from addictive behaviors, drug abuse, alcohol, sexual addictions? There is so much levels of freedom. And I just wanted to come to you because the mindset, we have been psychologically damaged, okay? Our people have been psychologically damaged through the effects of racism. And in order to repair, to truly heal, and to call ourselves free, we have to release ourselves from all the bondages of this mentality, the slave mentality mindset. It's not just about celebrating and barbecuing outside like July 4th. We have to really take ownership of changing and transforming our mindsets and shift into a new, just transform into something other than a holiday, because it takes more than just celebrating a holiday to truly be free. And my freedom comes from Jesus, being set free in Christ, and that is the one true freedom that you'll ever receive in this life, in this world. And I don't want to make this video heavy. I wasn't about to even go there, but I went there. So it's meant for me to speak, I guess, to say what's on my mind about this holiday and what's going on. But let me get back to my Flawless Contour facial massager. Okay, so as I said, if you didn't watch my last video, this is genuine rose quartz facial roller. Helps improve firmness, circulation, and skin tone. It helps reduce puffy eyes, dark circles, and inflammation. I don't usually have problems with my under eye circles, but I noticed lately with everything that's going on, I do have sometimes struggle with sleeping at night. And I do notice my eyes are a little bit more baggy, have bags and puffiness. And so I am just wrecking, oh, there's tape on this box. I'm just wrecking this box. Okay, so I just let it out, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. It's fairly heavy. I was hoping it would be heavy. I always look for quality. It is fairly heavy. Okay, so there's the on and off switch. I have to put the battery in, and of course this is for the eye, under eye. It's so cute. I'm thinking about putting this in the fridge since it's summer and it's hot, and then so this can be really cold in the morning, and then when I'm doing, after I wash my face, I can just, I have slight makeup on, so I don't really want to rub it on my skin right now, but this is what it looks like, and this would feel so nice and cold in the morning if I put in the fridge the night before. And it also comes with, I guess, instructions. So it comes with instructions. I won't probably go through all that. It's fairly easy. You just pretty much roll it over your skin. Yeah, there's really not much you need to do with this to roll it over your skin. So I'm just gonna open this. Not sure how to open it. Maybe that's what I need to read the instructions for. Okay, so it goes in the top. It opens from the top. And there's only one. Ooh. Wasn't expecting it to be. Wait a minute. How come? I was expecting this to be open, so you just slide the battery in here. Let me see this. Oh, my glasses. Hold the handle with one and gently twist the battery cap at the bottom of the unit, counterclockwise, to reveal battery. That is just weird. Handle with one hand. Twist the battery cap at the bottom of the unit counterclockwise. Oh, okay. My goodness. Light bulb moment. This is to change if you want to actually put the eye. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you want to use it for the under eye, or if this is for the facial roller, so they're interchangeable, and then the battery goes in here. I'm gonna just put it in that way and see if it works. Figures I would put it in backwards, so it goes the opposite way, and it just twists. You just okay. It lines up the seam right here with that little groove, so it snaps in. So it should work. Ooh, it's a strong vibration. What? Say what? Oh, this is so cool. I have just a little bit of foundation on, but I'm going to do it up. Oh man. Self-care, baby. I'll just wipe this off. There's a little bit of foundation on here, but I'll just wipe it off. That is really cool. Let me try it with the roller. Oh my God. Oh, this is going to be so good when I have a migraine. You can also just, if you don't want to use it, you can just use it to roll without the vibration, just to massage your skin. So either way, I'm loving it. I had hesitated on this. I got this at CVS. I had hesitated and I had put it back. But I thought about, you know something? All this stuff we going through, all this stress, I need to treat myself. And I really wanted to start doing some, as much as I talk about health and wellness, I was like, I need to really start doing some extra care. I actually used this, I'm not sure, this little jelly thing that I got at Sally's, and it kind of just helps dip the egg white, and you just spread it all over your skin. But I eventually just wound up using my fingers because it just is so slimy, and I got impatient with using this. So I just used my fingers and I just smeared it all over my face, and it was just so, it helps tighten your skin. It's not relaxing. It is cooling, especially in the summertime if you have a cold egg in the fridge, and once you put it on your face, it just feels so refreshing. So that is something, that a little treat that I do for my self-care, for skincare. And also I just purchased this, and this is Rosehip. Now I have Rosehip in my vitamin C tablets, my vitamins, and I've been reading up about Rosehip, and it's supposed to be really good for your immune system. I did not know it was good for your skin also, but this is an oil. I only used it once. I used it during the day, but I think I would use this at night, because it is a little bit heavy. Even though it doesn't sit on top of the skin, I felt like it was really penetrating, kind of like almond oil or jojoba oil. It's one of those, like even coconut oil, it's one of those real healthy skin treatments. But it's something that I would use at night. It's not something I would use during the day, because it'd probably be too, because of the heat, you don't want your face to be shining and glowing like that, you know, with the humidity. So it's something I would do at night as a treatment after I wash my face. And I'm going to put some lavender essence oil in here. just for it to be more relaxing, because I'm into aromatherapy and scents, and I think using this at night for bedtime and this dropping a little bit of lavender in this bottle would be a nice skincare treatment for nighttime. And so that is it. I don't have anything else right now. You see, I just kind of did my hair. I've never styled my hair like this before. I was just trying something new, and I didn't film it because I wasn't sure what I was doing. So I just basically parted it in the back. I'm not even sure if the parts are straight, but this is how I did it. And then I wanted something. I didn't want to keep parting it the same way. Anyway, so I just went ahead and did a different parts, and I brought it to the front. So I probably will do a video of me taking this down, so you can see how I style my hair when I take it down. Hopefully it will come out like a beautiful twist out, like I'm anticipating. But if not, we will just have to work with it, work with what we got. Thank you for watching and keeping me company, and we will chat a little later. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for your support, and I hope you are staying safe